smashed burger patty melt. First, you want to start and get a bowl and get your mustard, any type of ketchup, any type of barbecue sauce that you like, any type of mayonnaise. We are a Miracle Whip family. We like to use sweet relish. I know a lot of people like to use dill, but we are definitely a sweet relish type of family. I am trying to not cook with so much salt, which I've been doing a pretty good job of. But we add the no salt Tonys into this mixture, and you give it a good mix. Mind you, this was not enough, so I did have to add more because we like to dip our patties in our salt, honey. So now you want to get your onions. We use a yellow onion, which I get all the time. I love me a good yellow onion. I don't get the regular white onions. You know, I like a little vibe with mine. And you want to saute those really well. I believe I used butter and extra virgin olive oil. I cook with turkey meat, so this is turkey meat. Better believe, like, this is my first time making actual patties, so this is my first time making this meal in general, and my first time making patties, and using the parchment paper. I've never used parchment paper before, so that was definitely a thing. So now you want to take your mixture and add it to your bread. Sorry, it was a little sloppy, but listen, we were hungry and ready to eat, and I want to still make this video for you guys. So you want to layer. I like to start mine with the sauce on the bottom, patty, cheese, the grilled onions, another patty, and cheese, and then some more sauce. Then you stick that back on the grill, kind of like making toast, honey. Smash it down and flip it around on the other side. And here we are. There you have it. This is super simple, super easy, super delicious. You can also add Parmesan cheese to this to make it more cheesy, but I can't do too much cheese. Enjoy.